Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, so for today's video, another Fanti haul. Of course, also I have a new lace. Ayan, all the way from Shopee. Ayan. So, I have this one. Ayan, and this one. So, dalawa siya guys. This is a silk and this, ayan. Maganda yung kanyang tela. Unahin muna natin to guys. So, this one is, the detail is like this guys. Ayan, nakita nyo. It's a very cute silk and this, ganyan. So, very nice. Ganyan siya. The quality is good. Also, and may rubble siya dito. It's a rubber. Ayan, ganyan. This is large. Oo, large na siya guys. Okay. Large, ayan, ganyan. Ganyan sa likod, guys. It's very cute siya. And first time ko nga pala merong silk. Oo, this is the first time I got silk. Okay? So, medyo may kamahalan siya, but anyway, it's fine. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. Ayan, so it helped me a lot. Also, comment below heart if you like the video. So, ay, ganito pala siya sa loob, guys. Ayan. Ganyan siya sa loob. Okay, so, itong isa, large din siya. Large din siya guys. It's very cute. Very nice also. Ayan. Yung detailed din siya guys. Ganda talaga yung kanyang ano. Large din siya guys. Ayan, ganyan. Kita nyo. Sa likod is ganyan din siya. It's very cute one. Sa loob is like this also. Double naman siya. And then, maganda yung quality niya. I really like it. Let me know which one is better, the one or this one, because I really like it. Set na ako isuot ito, guys. Ayan, ang init. Okay, ganyan siya, guys. Are you ready, guys? Let's go, suot na natin to. Let's go! Ganyan talaga, guys. Ang ganda ng kanyang tanawa. Very nice. The quality is good also. Ang ganda. Bibili pa ako ng ganito. I will buy more, guys. Other color naman siya. Kasi maganda talaga siya guys. Look. Ang lakas yung makaputi. Very nice. Maganda siya. And then very good quality also. Ayan. Ganyan sa likod guys. Pak. Maganda siya guys sa likod. As you can see, yung ganyan dito, ayan, ganda right? May kinagtan pa ng lamok. Ayan, maganda siya guys. I like it. Ayan. Ganyan siya guys dito sa likod. Maganda talaga, pak. Diba? I really like it guys. Oh. Let me know which one is better yung kulay sa skin ko ha. Comment in the comment section guys. Suot na natin ang isa. So guys, this is, ayan, ang ganda niya talaga as in very nice, very comfy. Ang ganda talaga. I will buy more like this guys. Ang cute niya talaga, very cute. I like it. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ganyan siya sa likod guys. Pak! Asa pa niya, ang ganda talaga. As in, the fitting is nice, very nice. And also, the color. The color is very nice. I like it. I like it so much guys. Guys, I like it. Very cute one siya. Ganyan yung kanyang, ayan. Maganda yung kanya dito. I like it. Very much cutie. And then, napaka-sexy ng dating niya talaga guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching everyone. Thank you very much. Sending love and kisses to everyone. Thank you.